Oh yeah. Now you can see our biscuit. Hi guys, how's it going? Saya masih di dapur saya dan hari ini mau bikin dessert. Jangan cemas, resepnya masih gampang banget. Jadi hari ini mau bikin Regal chocolate cake. Yang pertama, saya mau coklatnya yang cair. Jadi, pakai panci. Api kecil, masukin sirup jagung sampai ini sudah panas. Oke, kemudian mau masukin mentega. Berikutnya mau masukin coklat. Setengah dulu. Aduk sampai rata dan masukin lagi. Sekarang saya mau tambahkan sedikit krim. Ini whipping cream guys. Boleh beli ini di supermarket. Sedikit aja. Oke, ini sudah tercampur rata. Setelah ini sudah tercampur rata, cepat banget taruh ini di loyangnya. Oke, cepat. Sos coklat setengah dulu. Sekarang saya mau masukin Regal. Oke, pakai cling wrap. Tutup dengan ini. Sudah selesai, siap untuk kulkas di sini. Oh ya guys, jangan lupa tunggu selama 2 jam. Ini sudah selesai dan saya mau cobain. Alright guys, here we go. So back in the kitchen for a dessert for the first time in a while. I hope you enjoyed watching that video and you're going to try and make this at home. Right, so biscuit cake, chocolate. This is cream around the outside. This is a very English thing to do, okay? English people like cream with their desserts. You don't need another chocolate sauce. This cake is already quite sweet. It's got the corn syrup in it as well. So yeah, a bit of cream balances out that sweetness really, really nicely. Try it at home, you might like it, okay? One of my tips, really important, don't use too much corn syrup. It's super sweet. We just need the corn syrup to make everything sticky and so we can mold this into a cake, okay? And put it in the Coklat. Don't put it too long, goes too hard, all right? So great guys, I'm gonna try it, I can't wait. See that chocolate? Oh yeah. Now you can see our biscuit and our chocolate all mixed together, delicious. All right, let me try this with that cream as well. I'll drop in. Oh man. So good. Oh, who needs a fork? I'm using my hand. Wow. Inside, we're looking for this kind of texture, guys. With the cream as well, balance it out really nice. Can't forget our strawberries and cream. Awesome. That's all we've got time for today. Thanks ever so much for watching the video. If you would like me to cook any food, comment below. Any advice, comment below as well. Next time, I think I might be doing something in the region of makanan jajana, and I'm thinking of doing some more of that. So please, keep watching, keep tuned. We're so close to 100,000 subscribers now. Thank you ever so much. I really, really do appreciate it. I'll be doing a giveaway for 100,000. I shall see you soon, guys. Laters. One of...
Still better.
Oh, Masi, saya masih di... Hi guys, how... I don't really know what you'd say. Break into small pieces?
Potong
Pieces?
potong babi.
Potong babi?
Potong kecil-kecil. Potong kecil.
Tambahkan sedikit